Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to change the cover of a particular collection on Instagram, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile section and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner and tap on saved option. In the saved option, it will show you all of your collection which you have made it. Just simply tap on the collection to whom you want to change the cover. Just simply tap on the three lines on the top right and tap on edit collection. So here you can see the option of change cover. Just simply tap on it, and then here select a post which you want to set as a cover of your collection. Just simply tap on it and then tap on this tick mark on the top right. So that's how you can easily change the cover of a particular collection on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. So let's meet in the next video.